Hey everybody, Professor Malat here with some tips and tricks to format in Google Docs per MLA style guidelines. Excuse me. So I'm sharing here the example document. I think you can find this on the Purdue OWL website. And the blue boxes here show you the directions for writing and signing in MLA style. And the green text boxes contain explanations of MLA style guidelines. So the first thing that confuses students is the difference between header and headings. In MLA, we have a page header that includes the student's last name and the page number. That is the header, and you find that in the upper right-hand corner of your page. And then there's a heading, and you should have this for all the written assignments that you do for your course. And that includes the student's name, the instructor's name, the course number. You may need to put in the section number if your instructor has more than one section of the course. And then the date is written in day, month, and year format, and you do not abbreviate the year. So that is the MLA style guideline. And then you will see here, titles are centered and written in 12-point font. It's not bolded, underlined, italicized, or placed in quotation marks. The first letter of each primary word, that is the important words, they are all capitalized. You see that there. So you need to make sure that your title is centered and that the font looks exactly the same as the rest of your paper. So now to hop into Google Docs and share my messed up document here. So I have a document that I wrote many years ago, not many years ago, just a couple of years ago, but I need to fix the formatting in it. So there are a few things that I need to do. First, I'm going to fix the formatting, the spacing. So if I come up here to format and I look at line and paragraph spacing, I can do double. Notice you have the option to add a space before the paragraph or after the paragraph. We're not going to deal with that. We are just going to do double spacing. So there, everything is double spaced. So next, my title needs to be centered. So if you come over here, make sure that you can either highlight it or make sure that your cursor is where it needs to be. Then you click on the center formatting and you have it centered. I do need to put my header in. So I double clicked in the top of the page and I put left justification. If I type my name, there, you can click the options, and if you need to show your page numbers on the first page, you would have that, and make sure it's a header, and then click apply. So I need to get rid of that one. This way, when you do it this way and not type the one in there, you will have automatic page numbers. See how the page number has been done automatically? There we go. And then you just click in the body of your paper to get back out of that. So I have my heading is correct, date is correct, my title is centered, everything is double spaced, but I have to come down here and fix my works cited. So the thing with works cited, it needs to be on a new page. So when you get to the end of your document and you want to add your works cited page, you need to make sure that works cited is on its separate page. I'm going to go back and double space this. So go back to format and add double space. Then the works cited title should be centered. That's the title of your page. But now this just looks like one big citation, right? It's hard to tell where the first one is and where the next one is, where each one starts. So we do this thing called hanging indents. So hopefully I have 1, 2, 3, I have 4 sources here. So I'm going to highlight this again. And I can't do that. So I'm going to highlight this again. And let's see, format, align and indent. So let's see, indentation options, special indent, hanging. And you can put in however far you want it to be indented. If we click apply, that magically does it for me. And now you can tell that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 entries instead of it just appearing as one big block of text. You do want to make sure that your hyperlinks are not active. So if you know how to remove that, that's cool. See, you would do link, and then if you want to unlink it, remove link. There should be a period after that. So that is all the formatting that you need to know, I think, at least for our purposes in this class. So this is formatting in Google Docs. I hope you found it helpful. Take care, everyone.